Hi, I'm Carolynn Mincin. Hi, I'm Carolynn Mincin. Who's running the show anyway? Seriously.
Carolynn Munster.
It's Mincin.
Carolynn Mutilator.
It's Mincin.
Carolynn Mincin. Take 227.
How long have you been with the production company?
Oh, I'm not with the production company. I just want to play with your hair.
Go away. When they called me for this, I had no idea what to wear. I was thinking about bringing all these clothes, but I thought, now let's just keep it to a minimum. I'm a well-known comedian, and I play to millions of people across the world. I have the most adorable husband and two of the most adorable children. And the most perfect pets. I love working with pets. I've always been interested in the classics.
My boy thinks you're a lady. He's thinking you have class. Wait till he sees the false teeth in your water glass. Hey, hey. Oh, no. No way my son is going to marry no hoe. You're playing with my boy. You think it's really sweet, but when you make a...
I'm the first person to always help the homeless. I'm always the first person in the office to buy lunch for everyone. High flying adored, I've been called names, but that's the strangest. My story's quite usual. Local girl makes good webs famous man. What does this thing do? Hi, I'm Carolynn Mincin, and I'm the one that you want for your next project.